Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in today's video, we are going to see the structure of the amino acids and their classification based on different functional groups of the side chain. Side chain was the R group. Okay, what are the different non-polar amino acids? Why they are called non-polar amino acids? Then we will see amino acids with side chain having alcohol, then side chain having thiol and thioether, that is sulfur containing amino acids. Then we will see amino acids containing amide functional group, that is CONH2. Then the amino acid containing imidazole ring as a side chain, we will see the structure of imidazole ring. And then guanidine as well as indole group. Okay, side chain having guanidine and indole group. So these are some of the very important questions that can be asked in MCQ or multiple choice question, like which of the following amino acid contains imidazole ring. So they will give you 4 different names of amino acids and you have to select which of the amino acid has guanidine group or alcohol or phenol. Likewise, questions can be asked. So let us see the first, let us understand the nomenclature of amino acids. So if you see the nomenclature, there are 3 methods. One is writing the complete name. Writing the complete name. Then second is a 3-letter word. 3-letter name. Okay, or it is also called as abbreviation or short form of the amino acid. Okay, 3-letter nomenclature. Both these are very simple, and the third one is slightly difficult to remember, that is a single letter name. Single letter name. Okay, let us understand this with an example. For, let's say, the simplest amino acid, that is glycine. R group is a hydrogen. L amino acid, so NH2 group will be on the left. COOH. Okay, and then here we have hydrogen, and then here we have COOH, carboxylic acid group. So this is what? This is glycine. Okay, so if I want to write down the complete name will be glycine. Okay, and the 3-letter word, now we have to write down the 3-letter word is generally the first 3 letters in most cases. Only in 2 amino acids it is different, that I will tell you. So here the 3-letter nomenclature is GLY. And what is a single letter name here? It is G. Okay, so we'll see in a moment what are these different nomenclatures for all the amino acids. So there are basically 3 different types of methods or ways to write down the names of the amino acids. One is complete name, one is 3-letter name, or it is called a 3-letter code, and last is a single letter name. Okay, so let us first understand what are the different non-polar amino acids and why this is called non-polar. Because all these compounds have CH in amino acids having a non-polar side chain. Okay, they have CH bonds, and we know CH bond is what? It is non-polar. Okay, it is not a polar bond, it is non-polar. That is why these amino acids are also called as non-polar amino acids. So they can ask you a question. Okay, which of the following amino acids are non-polar? Okay, so this we had seen in the trick video as well. Okay, what are the different names? Glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine. Okay, and 2 more, that is phenylalanine and proline. So let us now see the structure of the side chain. Glycine, you start from the most simplest one. This is achiral. Why? Because 2 groups are same. This we had seen. This is achiral. Okay, single letter is G, 3-letter name is GLY, and here is there any functional group? No, hydrogen is just an atom, it is not a functional group. What is isoelectric point? As of now you can ignore this. We will see in the next video what is the meaning of isoelectric point and how do we calculate isoelectric point. That is very important. We will see in the next video. Next is alanine. So you increase the size of the side chain. This whatever is written in the square box is nothing but the side chain. Okay, now from hydrogen you move on to methyl, 1 carbon. Okay, methyl, this is called alanine, and this is which functional group? This is methyl group. Okay, here all they have written alkyl, but we have to specify the name of the alkyl group. Here it is methyl. Then you increase 1 more carbon, 3 carbon, valine, VAL, and this is which group? 2 methyl groups are same, and total there are 1, 2 and 3 carbons. So this is what? This is a isopropyl group. So they can ask you which of the following amino acid has a isopropyl group as a side chain. Answer will be valine. Then leucine, this is what? This is again, you can see there are 2 groups that are same, but now 1, 2, 3 and 4 total there are 4 carbons. So this is which group? This is called as isobutyl group. Okay, so which amino acid has isobutyl group as a side chain? Leucine. L, and 3-letter code is LEU. Then there is isoleucine. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the second position there is a substituent. So this is what? This is called as a secondary butyl group. Okay, so these names you can remember: isobutyl, okay, isopropyl, isobutyl, secondary butyl and methyl. They can ask you based on the names of these side chains, structure of the amino acids based on the names of these side chains. Okay, so you can see all of them have what? They have CH bonds. Okay, that is non-polar. That is why they are non-polar amino acids. Okay, these two structures. So here you can see this is which group? This is benzene and CH2 group. This is which group? This is benzylic group. Okay, why? Because this carbon attached to the benzene ring, this is called as a benzylic carbon. So this group is called as a benzylic group. Okay, or we can say aromatic group is present in this amino acid, that is called as phenylalanine. Okay, now why this is called phenylalanine? So if you see the side chain of alanine, it is CH3. So what they have done here is, okay, one of the hydrogens of alanine they have replaced, and here they have added a phenyl group. So that is why this is a derivative of alanine. So it is called as phenylalanine. Okay, phenyl means benzene ring, and then the initial structure or parent structure was alanine. So that is why the name of this is phenylalanine. In this way you can remember the structure of alanine as well as phenylalanine. It is very simple. And last is proline. For proline, it is very important. What is a proline? If you see all the other naturally occurring amino acids, 19, they are what? Alpha amino acids. What is the meaning of that? They are alpha amino acid means they have amine group. Okay, alpha amino acids, they have amine group. But proline is the only amino acid that is what? That is a imino acid. Okay, that is a imino acid. Why it is called imino acid? Because this group NH, this is called as what? This is a imine group. This is a imine functional group. That is why this is called as a imino acid. Okay, rest all are amino acids. So you can remember this. Which of the following is a amino acid? The answer will be proline. Okay, this is a cyclic structure, 5-membered ring. Okay, P and PRO. Okay, so these were the non-polar amino acids. Now amino acids having alcohol and phenol. So having alcohol, there are 2 amino acids. One is serine and another is threonine. So these side chain structures you can remember. This is very important. CH2OH, and then here it is at the first position. Here there is OH. Both have hydroxy group, or we can say alcohol. Then which is the amino acid having a phenol side chain? What is phenol? Phenol is benzene with OH. This is the structure of phenol. So you can see this is the phenol side chain present in this amino acid, which is called tyrosine. Single letter names you can remember. If you don't remember, it's okay, but you have to remember the 3-letter code. It is very simple and it's very important as well. So here you can see threonine, THR. Okay, and tyrosine is TYR. So you have to be very careful while reading the names. Okay, they look similar but they are different. This is THR, this is TYR. Okay, tyrosine contains phenolic group. Okay, next is amino acids having sulfur. One is cysteine and another is methionine. So the first amino acid, that is cysteine, you can remember the structure is same as that of serine, only instead of oxygen here we have sulfur. Okay, in cysteine we have sulfur, CH2SH, there it was CH2OH. This is which functional group? Thiol. Okay, what is a thiol functional group? SH. So amino acid having thiol functional group is cysteine. Then there is sulfide. Okay, or we can also call this as, okay, this is sulfide functional group, or we can also call this as a thioether. Okay, what is normal ether? Normal ether is oxygen, and on both the sides there are R groups. And thio means sulfur. So thioether means ether functional group, but instead of oxygen we have sulfur. Okay, it is methionine. Okay, MET, cysteine is CYS. Okay, these were amino acids having sulfur. Then amino acids having amide and indole. Okay, amide is which functional group? C double bond O NH2. So there are two amino acids containing amide functional group, asparagine and glutamine. Okay, so ASN, and this you have to remember, this is not for glutamine, it is very important. The 3-letter name is GLN. Okay, it is not GLU. Why? I'll tell you in a moment. Glutamic acid. Okay, glutamic acid has the name GLU. Okay, so you don't have to get confused. You have to remember, for only for glutamine it is GL and then this N, GLN. It is not GLU. Okay, both these are having amide functional groups, and this is the indole ring. What is the indole ring? Okay, a benzene ring and then a 5-membered ring. A fused 5-membered ring like this. This is the indole ring. So if they ask you which is the amino acid having indole ring as the side chain, that is tryptophan or TRP. Okay, again this also you have to remember, this is TRP. Okay, it is not TRY, this is TRP. Okay, and not TRY. Why? Because you will see tyrosine. Okay, tyrosine also starts from TYR. So tyrosine has a 3-letter word of TYR. Okay, tryptophan is TRP. Okay, next is side chain having carboxylic acid. So there are two amino acids having COH, carboxylic acid, as a side chain. One is aspartic acid, another is glutamic acid. Okay, so you can see the amide functional groups. The structure of asparagine is same as that of the aspartic acid, only instead of OH group there is NH2, that is amide functional group is present. CH2CONH2. Here it is CH2. Okay, here it is CH2CONH2, and here instead of amine, if you replace it with OH, you will get aspartic acid. Similarly, here there is CH2CH2COOH, and here also we have CH2CH2 and COO. Instead of OH, here we have NH2 group. So in this way you can remember the structures of amide and that of the carboxylic acid. Okay, and the last one is side chain having amine, guanidine and imidazole. So the side chain having amine functional group is what? Lysine, LYS. Arginine. Arginine contains which functional group? This functional group is nothing but it is called as a guanidine functional group. What is guanidine functional group? Double bond NH. Okay, NH2. NH2. This is guanidine. Okay, this is a substituent of guanidine. Okay, one of the hydrogen here is replaced by this entire group. So this is an amino acid having guanidine group in the side chain. And last is histidine. Okay, histidine has this ring. This ring is called as a imidazole ring. Okay, you have to be very careful. This is imidazole. Okay, you don't have to get confused between indole. Okay, indole is this benzene ring, and then here we have two rings. So you can remember like this. Indole, the name is short, that is it has only 7 letters. 1 2 3 6 letters. Okay, name is short, structure is big. Imidazole, name is big. Okay, how many letters? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, name is large but the structure is smaller. Okay, it is opposite. Indole, name is smaller, structure is bigger. Imidazole, name is larger, structure will be smaller. So in this way you can remember the structures of indole and imidazole. Okay, so this is the end of this video. In the next video we will see what is a peptide bond, how do you classify peptides based on the number of peptide bonds, and then we will see the video on isoelectric point, Then we will see charge of the amino acid. How do you assign overall charge to the amino acid based on the pKa values? Okay, that is very, very important, and multiple times that is asked. Questions based on isoelectric point and charge of the amino acid. Draw the structure of a particular amino acid at some pH, let's say physiological pH, or pH around 1, or pH around 10 or 12, something like that. Okay, we'll see in the coming videos. Thank you.